Good morning, students. Students, we were doing chapter 20, mensuration. In that, we were on exercise 20b. In this video, we will start from question number 5 of this exercise. So, question number 5 is the length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are in the ratio 5:3. The ratio of length and breadth is given, that is 5:3. If the total cost of fencing it at the rate of ₹24 per meter is ₹9,600. So student, total cost of fencing is given at the rate of ₹24 per meter, that is ₹9,600. Find its length and breadth. So we have to find the length and breadth. Students, total cost of fencing is given and ratio of length and breadth is given. Then first we will let the length and breadth as given in the ratio in terms of x. Then we will find the cost of fencing of this rectangular piece and we can make equal to this. So see how we will do. In first part we have to find the length and breadth. And see. Let the length and breadth be 5x unit meter. Unit will be meter because cost per meter is 5x meter and 3x meter. Then fencing is related to perimeter. So we will find the perimeter first. So perimeter of rectangular piece of land. Formula is 2L plus B. So 2 length is 5x plus breadth is 3x. Here we will not use the unit. So it will come 2 multiply 8x. 2 multiply 8x. So directly we can write 16x. So perimeter is coming 16x. So students, now we will find the cost of fencing. So as I told you in the previous exercise and previous questions, so cost of fencing will be according to question C. Cost of fencing will be 16x is the total length of rectangular piece of land, means sum of the all four sides. So what is given? Per meter cost is given. So we will fence 16x and 1 meter cost is 24. So total cost of fencing in terms of x, 16x multiply 24. Listen again. It is coming perimeter. It is coming perimeter. Multiply cost per meter. So perimeter multiply cost per meter is equal to total cost of fencing. So is equal to, it is total cost of fencing in terms of x and it is given in question, that is ₹9600. Here we will write 9600. Now students, we can find the value of x. So 16 and 24, they both are in multiply. With x, move to RHS, changes into divide. So 16 multiply 24. So students, as you can see, 24 for the 96 and 2 0. Then 16 1 the 16, 16 to the 32, 16 5 the 80. So x is equal to 25. Value of x is coming 25. Now we can put the value here. So see, therefore length is equal to 5x 3x meter is equal to 3 multiply 25 meter is equal to 75 meter. So students, length is coming 125 meter and breadth is coming 75 meter. Listen again. Students, length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are given in the ratio that is 5:3. And cost of fencing per meter is given and total cost of fencing is also given. So students, we will find the length and breadth in first part. So first, let the length and breadth be 5x meter and 3x meter. Then for this, we will find the total cost of fencing in terms of x. So, for this, we have to find the perimeter. So, perimeter of rectangular piece of land is equal to L plus B. So, after putting the values, we are getting 16x. Cost of fencing means perimeter multiply cost per meter. So, according to the question, we have the perimeter 16x. Multiply cost per meter is 24. So it is the cost of fencing in terms of x. It is given in the question also, that is 9600. We can make equal both. So after making the equal, then we can find the value of x. After solving this, value of x is coming 25. Then we can put the value here in 5x and 3x to find the length and breadth. So after putting the values, we are getting length is equal to 125 meter and breadth is equal to 75 meter. In second part, we have to find the area. So students, area of second part, area of rectangular piece of land. Yes, formula of area of rectangle. Yes, if you are saying L into B, you are correct. So formula of area of rectangular piece of land, length into breadth. Length, what was coming? 125 meter and breadth 75 meter. So 125 meter multiply 75 meter. So students, we will solve this to find the area of rectangular piece of land. So see what is coming, 125 and 7. 5 to 6. Then 7 5s are 35. 7 to the 14 and 3 17. 7 1 the 7 and 1 8. So 5 7 3 9. So students, area is coming 9375 meter. So it is the answer of second part. Then students, in third part, what we have to find? We have to find the cost of labeling at the rate of 60 per meter square. New term is coming, labeling. In the previous questions or exercise, fencing was coming. So fencing was related to perimeter, but labeling is what we will label? We will label the area. So labeling is related to area. To find the cost of labeling, we must have the area. So students, we have area. So in third part, see, cost of labeling 1 meter is given, that is rupees 6. How much area we have to label? Cost of labeling 9375 meter square is equal to rupees 60. Cost of 1 meter square is rupees 60. Cost of this more, for more multiply 9375 is equal to, we have to do the multiply. So 0 6 5 is 30, 0 6 7 is 42 and 3 45. 6 3 is 18 and 4 22. And 6 9 is 54 and 2 56. So students, cost of leveling is coming rupees 5,62,500. Students, we can use formula also to find the total cost of leveling. That will be the cost of leveling per meter square multiply area. So you can see cost of leveling per meter square is rupees 60 multiply area. Area is 9375. By using the formula also we can do this. So students, answer of first part, length is coming 125 meter and breadth is coming 75 meter. And answer of second part, area is coming 9375 meter square. Third part, cost of leveling is coming rupees 5,62,500. Now students, see question number 6. Find the area of square whose perimeter is 56 centimeter. So students, we have to find the area of square. So what is the formula of area of square? Yes students, if you are saying side square, you are correct. So area of square is side square. So to find the area, we must have the side. But what is given in the question? Perimeter. So with the help of perimeter of square, we will find the side first, then we can find the area. So see, perimeter of square is equal to how much? Is equal to 56 centimeter. Here we will write the formula of perimeter of square. Formula is 4 into side. 4 multiply side is equal to 56 centimeter. Side is equal to 56 centimeter on 4. So 4 1 the 4, 4 4 the 16. So students, side is equal to 40 centimeter. Now we can find the area. So area of square is equal to formula is side square. So students, by putting the value in this formula, you can find the area of square. So this you have to find yourself. Now students, see question number 7. Question number 7 is a square lawn is surrounded by a path 2.5 meter wide. If the area of the path is 165 meter square, find the area of the lawn. So students, see a square lawn. First of all, we will draw a square lawn. This one is a square lawn. We can give name A, B, C, D. ABCD is a square lawn. It is surrounded by a path 2.5 meter. So students, it is surrounded by the path. The width of the path is 2.5 meter. Like this. It is the width of the park. Around the square park, a width is 2.5 meter. That is surrounded all the 4 sides. Means this width. That is 2.5 meter. This side also 2.5 meter. This side also 2.5 meter. And this side also 2.5 meter. So students, if the area of the path, it is a path, this one is a path, whole area, this. This area is given, area of path is given, that is 165 meter square. Find the area of the lawn. we have to find the area of A, B, C, D. So it is in square shape. Area of the lawn means area of square. Formula is side square. So student, we have the side AB or BC, CD or DA. We don't have. So first we will find the side of square lawn. Then we can find the area. So students, as we had given name ABCD, we can give name to this also EF, G, H. So see how we will find the side first. Area of path is given. Students, we can let the side of square on X. Yes, we can let. So let the side means AB. Side means AB. We can write AB here. Side of square long B X meter, because width is given in meter, so we will let in meter. Listen again. Let the side, for side inside the bracket we will write AB. Side of square equal, so it means we can write AB, BC, CD, DA, any side we can write. So it will better to write AB. So let the side of square one be X meter. So students, if this side is X meter, then what will be the length of this side EF? See, EF is equal to X. This one is X. Then what is the length? This portion. What is the measure of this portion? This increase from this side also, right? So what is the measure of this portion? 2.5 meter. So it means plus 2.5. And this side also. EF is increasing two sides, na? This side 2.5 and this side also 2.5. It means X plus 2.5 plus 2.5. Means X plus 5 meter. EF is coming X plus 5 meter. So students, now we will find the area of path. Area of path means area of this square EFGH minus area of ABCD. See, area of square EFGH is equal to area of square EFGH. Formula is side square. So side is X plus 5 meter square. So we will not use the unit here. X plus 5 square. Side square. Clear? Now we can solve this. So it we will consider as a plus b whole square. So x square, a square plus b square. B square is value of b 5. So square of 5 25 plus 2ab. 2 5s are 10. X square plus 25 plus 10x is the area of square EFGH. Now area of square long. What name? A, B, C, D. Side is X. Formula is side square. It means X square. So students, area of path means what will be the area of path? Area of this minus area of ABCD means area of EFGH minus area of ABCD. If we will subtract this, how much area will left? This much area will left. This much. If we will subtract area of ABCD from area of EFGH, this much area will left, area of path. So we have area of EFGH in terms of x, area of square ABCD also in terms of x. So we can subtract. That will be the area of path. So area of path is given, that is 165 meter square. We can make equal. So students, now we will find the area of path in terms of x. So area of path is equal to area of square EFGH. So x square plus 25 plus 10x minus area of square ABCD, that is x square. So is equal to x square cancel. Then 25 plus 10x we cannot add because they both are unlike terms. It is coming area of path in terms of x. So according to question we can make both the equal. So students, according to question, 25 plus 10x is equal to 165. So 10x is equal to 165 minus 25. So x is equal to that it will come 140. 140 upon 10. So x is equal to 14. So students, value of x is coming 14. It means side, therefore side of square log is equal to x meter. So it means 14 meter. So side of square log is coming 14 meter. Then we have to find the area of square log. Now we have side, so we can find the area of square log. So area of square log is equal to, formula is side square. Now we have side 14 meter, square of 14 meter, that is 196 meter square. So students, area of square log is coming 196 meter square.